Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. I'm already in the Christmas vibe, holiday vibe, and my cats are here. My two cats are here. And can you see my cat, guys? She wants to be here only. She don't want to go while I'm recording this video. I've already given her food, but she don't want to go. So it's a blessing that for collective I feel like a lot of money is going to come, because cat symbol is money symbol for me, so a lot of money is going to come for you guys. So now we will start with our topic, that what blessings are coming for you guys. We have two gift options in front of us. This is option 1, the pink gift wrap box. This is option 1. This is option 2, the flower pink bow gift wrap box. Option 1, option 2. So you can pause the video, meditate on the video, and that's my second cat, and you can choose it. What blessings are coming up for you in this Christmas or upcoming New Year? Okay, we will see that. And if you want to get a personal reading, my details are in the description box below, guys. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to you all. I hope you have chose your pile. I think I'll also choose. I'll go for one. Let's see. I haven't decided yet, but I feel like I'll go for one. And one more thing I wanted to say, that this is a general reading. Please remember, it will not resonate or match with each and every one of you. And I hope you liked my decoration, my Christmas decoration. Hope you guys liked it. I have tried my best to do it. So hope you guys liked it. Now we will start with your reading. Please choose option 1, option 2. Okay, let's go. Hi, option 1. If you have chose this pink gift wrap box, okay, let's see what blessings are coming up for you guys. I hope you can hear me properly, and I hope you like the decoration. Let's see what blessings are coming up for you guys. Transformation, projections, trust, abundance, listen to your intuition. 6 of Wands, improving health. Okay. Oh my god, you can't see all the cards. Let's see. I think I'll adjust few more cards so that you can see. I'll keep this option over here. Okay, abundance, improving health. Okay, so guys, for this pile I felt like first and foremost, the first thing I felt that you had faced a relationship issue in past. Maybe for some of you, you are still facing. In 2020 you have faced relationship issue. Someone have left you left you in the cold, very cold behaviors. Someone has, for some of you, someone has insulted you, ghosted you, a lot of brutal things I am feeling in 2020. Someone has also kept you in third party situation, which has made you cry, which has made you think a lot of things, that I feel like, oh my god, I'm not even able to speak. A lot of things, lot of messages I am getting. First of all, those who have choose this pink box, okay, guys, what blessings are coming up for you guys, that justice will be served. If you have faced any issue in relationship and in money situation, I think justice will be served in this Christmas, and or in the coming new year. I feel like that. So December end to January starting, you will get your justice. The person who has done wrong to you, they will get their karma back, and you will get your justice definitely. And if you have started some project, or some you are trying for promotion or hike, or have started your own business, yeah, or some type of project, you will get success in that definitely. And lot of transformations are coming up for you guys. Lot of transformations are coming up for you. I feel like if those who have chose, you guys can be a tarot reader, psychic medium, spiritual person, astrologer, healer, those sort of things. The things beyond this world. And a good manifester, you can be a good manifester as well. Even if you are not in spiritual journey, I feel like that your intuition is very strong. You can be a spiritual healer as well, or at least you are a very spiritual and strong intuition type of a person. But I am strongly feeling those who's watching this, you guys are like a tarot reader or psychic medium, spiritual person or spiritual journey you are going through. Lot of transformations are going to come in your life, guys. And message also for you is that listen to your intuition, because I feel like you don't need to ask somewhere else. I think your intuition is so strong that if you listen to your intuition, if you work on your intuition, those who's not a tarot reader or a psychic medium, if you listen to your intuition, you'll have the answers. You have the answers already. I feel like that. So if you have faced something in your relationship, a third party situation, or someone has left you, ghosted you, gaslighted you, so I feel like in relationship situation, you'll get justice, and some offer from the same person is coming up for you guys. It is quite slow. You have felt like lot of delays and slowness in especially in 2020. So I feel like that person is coming again to offer you something stable, but that person is very slow. So but I feel like in Christmas ending or January starting, you'll get some type of communication from Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person, or Libra signs. I'm strongly feeling Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. These signs I'm strongly feeling. Definitely this was regarding your relationship issues. Something has happened, though you are in a soulmate, twin flame, some type of spiritual journey you are in. I am feeling like that. And God, angels, and universe is asking you to have trust, have faith, because abundance and victory is coming, guys. Oh my God, can you see? Abundance and victory is coming up for you guys. Whether you are doing your business, whether you are worried about money situation, whether you are worried about career situation, whether you are worried about any personal or professional or love situation, abundance is coming, guys. Success is coming, victory is coming, guys. And if you have faced any health issue currently, I am feeling that like some type of anxious or anxiety, or any health issue you are facing, it will improve. So what blessings are coming of you? If you are not on a spiritual journey or not a tarot reader or healer, I think you'll get your life purpose as a spiritual person or a healer or a psychic medium. I am feeling like that, that blessing is coming up for you. You'll be awakened, or you'll be come to know that what is your life purpose, why you have come on earth, and what is your soul purpose. So basically life purpose, soul purpose, you'll get to know, and that is regarding spiritual journey. And I also feel relationship issue will be resolved. You'll get justice from the God and angels and ancestors and universe. I am feeling like that. You have faced money trouble, still facing money trouble, you'll get a success, guys. I know the movement is quite slow, and you have been very patient. It feels like it's been slow and steady, and delays are coming up, guys, but don't worry. I think you'll see the movement in the December end to January first week or January month. So yes, the two major arcana card we have received, Justice and the High Priestess, guys. So God will have to give you justice no matter what, and transformation is going to come, guys. So yes, lot of blessings are coming up for you in relationship matter as well. If someone has broke your heart, They will be coming back to offer you some stable offer. They will apologize to you, they will say sorry to you, and I feel like they will give you some stable offer. They can also give you money along with stable offer or committed offer. They will give you some money all as well. So I feel like this can be some stable and tangible offer. I feel like that abundance is coming up for you guys. A lot of blessings are coming up for you guys. I think you have faced in 2020 or up to till now, up to lot many years. For some of you, I feel like you have faced trouble in each and every situation, which is going to resolve. I think you have faced issues in relationship, you have faced issues in married life or marriage, getting married. You have faced issues in money life, you have faced issues in personal life, you have faced issues in professional life, you have faced issues in friends, relatives. In every type of issues, in every type of area, you have faced issues. So I think it is all gonna resolve. Definitely you have faced some issues in your health as well, physical health, emotional health. I think it is going to resolve like this, December end to January month, you'll see the result. You'll get your health is sorted out, you'll get abundance, you'll get money, you'll get victory, you'll get success victory, you'll get your life purpose clear. You'll get, some of you can be a famous person as well, in your community, in your city or in your area. You can be a famous person, you can become a famous person. If you want to get married, you'll be getting married. If you are married and you want to get pregnant and have a baby, it will be resolved. A lot of thoughts and anxiety will be resolved. I feel like that. Yes, lot of messages I'm coming. 4 of swords, 5 of pentacles, 3 4 5. So growth is quite slow, guys. 3 4 5 growth is quite slow in your reading. I'm feeling like that, but it is coming. It is coming, and you'll see the result by the December ending to January starting. Okay, so 25th Christmas to December ending to New Year, you'll see the result. You will see the ray of hope. You will see the those what we can say, the seeds which you have planted, you'll see them growing. Wow. Guys, very wonderful. Now let's see the charms for you guys. Let's see the charms. Oh. We'll pick it up randomly, okay? Oh, for some of you, I feel like I've told you, like, you are already on a spiritual journey. You can be already a tarot reader, psychic medium. You guys are on twin flame journey as well, guys, and that person only has broke your heart. If you wanted to travel somewhere, you will be traveling in this year 2021 out of country. There are chances of you travel. Also, you will travel or spend some time with that person who broke your heart, or that person is coming towards you, traveling towards you. Maybe some of you are in a long distance relationship. I feel like that. So you guys are mirroring each other. See, you guys are mirroring each other. You are on twin flame journey, definitely. Twice we have received the twin flame charm. So initials for you, J, K, 2 initials, only 2 initials. See, angels, ancestors and God are working with you to build your dreams, to build your life. You are a good manifester. I am feeling like that, but you don't realize, you have not been realized your worth, or people are not realizing your worth, but they are going to realize, guys, your worth. And if you have any confidence issue or solar plexus or sacral chakra issues, it will be resolved. I think it is already healing. And for some of you who are planning for a children of in future, who wants to get married and have children, I think you will have 2 children for sure. You will have 2 children, or at least 1 children and 1 pet. I am feeling like that. Okay, so don't worry about your marriage life, or if you'll get married or not, you'll have kids or not, or when will you get married, when will you have kids, and if you are married, when will I have baby. So don't worry about all these questions. See, someone will offer you commitment, engagement, promise ring, engagement ring. I think you'll get engaged or married in the 2021 year, and I feel like some of you get the offer in January starting, or January month, or December ending, some type of committed or commitment offer. See, ring has also we have received, and this is from the same person who has kept you in the third party. Currently you are feeling stuck, you are not feeling you are a creative person, you are a spiritual person, you feel stuck, but the stability you need or you want is coming. You'll receive it, guys, don't worry. I think you need to work somewhat on your heart chakra, guys, and get relaxed. Have a favorite cup of have your favorite tea or coffee, and cappuccino. Have your cup of tea, coffee, and juice, whatever, and relax. Just relax and heal your heart chakra. Okay, your crown chakra is very strong, guys, and if your crown chakra is not strong, it is going to be very active and strong, guys, and you will be very spiritual and intuitive. I feel like that blessings is major, I'm seeing, especially for those who is not a tarot reader or who is not a psychic medium, or already you'll get to know, or you'll be on the spiritual journey. I feel like that. So let's see the messages from the person who who broke your heart, or the person who's on your mind. Let's see the messages. Nothing gonna change my love for you. So she or he wants to dedicate a song to you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. Faded, Where Are You Now by Ellen Walker. So another song. So basically you are connected with this person spiritually and musically. So telepathy, I am feeling a lot of telepathy and 3D 5D world talking I am feeling. So a lot of music and song connection, guys. You are talking to each other through music. So another song, Faded, Where Are You Now. So maybe you are asking this person, where are you now? So see, guys, new romance is going to come, and they will get their karma. Whoever hurt you, not only romantic person, whoever, your friend, your colleague, your parents, or your mother, or your sibling, or your sister, or I don't know, colleague, or anyone, relatives, whoever hurt you, guys, they will get their karma back. I think they are already dealing with a karmic person, those who have hurt you. I feel like a new romance is going to come. I think those who have chose this pink, this is the pink gift wrap. So I feel like new romance is going to come up for you, guys. Definitely I feel like that. And I will come to meet you. See, I've told you, this person is going to come to meet you, and he's not even able to control his feelings now. He wants to rush towards you. I feel like that. I also feel that Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign, and 3 number I am seeing strongly, 7 number I am seeing strongly, 3, 6, 7, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius I am seeing strongly. Other signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Almost every sign is there. For few percentage I am feeling Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces as well. Girls Like You by Maroon 5. Another song. My God, this person wants to dedicate a lot of songs to you. Mirroring. Oh my God, where is that charm? Mirror charm. Where is that charm? See, mirroring charm. Mirroring charm. So guys, you guys are on twin flame journey. You guys are mirroring each other. I feel like that. Yes, definitely. Money minded. This person was quite money minded. That's why maybe they have left you, for some of you. But now they are getting their karma back. jealous and possessive. This person was control freak and was trying to dominate you, or maybe dominant, and you were the submissive. So I feel like this person was very jealous and possessive. He was not, he or she was not even allowed you to talk to any of your friends, even in your, if you are a girl watching this and you are watching for your male person, so I feel like this person was not even allow you to talk to your other girls, your other friends, female friends. I feel like that. How you used to hold me on bike. So this person is missing your memories now. Maybe you guys have went for a drive or date, so whether it was on two-wheeler, four-wheeler, so he's saying that how you used to hold me on bike, on two-wheeler, or whatever, bike, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, take it according to your situation. So you are my life. Now he is realizing that you are his life, his or her life. Take according to your gender. I am coming home, so you are the home for this person basically. So yes, this person is coming back, guys. Strongly fire sign element I am feeling, and very soon you will see the actions, at least some hints or some communication you will receive from them, though they have been very slow and everything was very slow in your life, in your relationship, but it is going to now, get to the point, in alignment. I feel like that, guys. So pile 1, this is what I feel for you guys. I hope you liked my tarot reading, charm reading and messages style. Love and light to you. Namaste, guys. Namaste, namaste, namaste. Thank you so much. All the best. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you. Bye bye. Hi, option 2. So those who have chose this gift box, flower gift box, let's see what blessings are coming up for you in this Christmas or in this new year. Okay, depends upon your situation, but let's see what blessings are coming up for you guys. Morality, traveling, the dream, perfect timing, trust, ask for help from others, the Chariot, wow, death, wow, 9 of Swords, oh my god, the Hangman, the Emperor, Knight of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, 10 of Wands. Oh my god, lot of transformation and big changes are going to come. For those who have chose this pile, I think you have ended some type of a relationship or some type of a karmic toxic relationship or a situation or a job or something you have ended in your life, because new is going to start. Death is always about transformation. I feel like forward movement is going to come. I can see Cancer sign, strong Cancer sign, Scorpio sign, Sagittarius sign, Aries, Leo as well, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini as well, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Initials I can see L, M, T, R, S, I, O, Q, X, P, Y. The Wheel of Fortune card we have received. So guys, you are going to, your life is going to be changed, 360 degree for sure. If you were dealing with a person who is very toxic or who was very toxic, or who was in and out of your life, or who was a player or a flirt or any type of a toxic or karmic relationship, it is going to end, and you will feel so relaxed and relieved, and a lot of forward movement are coming up for you guys. If you have felt stuck till now in your life, in your relationship, it is going to be a forward movement, guys, for sure. Perfect, but it will be on perfect timing. I feel like that. Yes, on perfect timing. If you wanted to travel, you are going to travel, guys, and your dream is going to fulfill. If you can see, this girl is looking to this couple. So if you wanted to get married, your wish will be fulfilled. If you wanted to do love marriage with the particular person, your wish is going to be fulfilled, guys. If you were in a third party situation, or third person was interfering in your married life, or marriage life or in your relationship, it is going to be resolved, guys. So in short, whatever relationship issue was there, it will be resolved, it will be ended, a toxic situation will be ended, and everything will happen according to divine timing, perfect timing. You just need to have trust and have somewhat more patience. And if you need help, you can ask for the help from angels, god, universe, or a spiritual person, tarot reader, at least who is very genuine. You can ask for help from them. And I also feel that because of this relationship situation, you are quite feeling stuck. If you were in a third party relationship, your morals were coming in the way. You didn't wanted to be in a third party situation, so you left and ended that toxic relationship. For some of you, children also were involved. I feel like that. I don't know whose energy I am tapping in, but this is what I am feeling. If you were anxiety issues, or was not able to sleep properly, I think it will be resolved, guys. If you were dealing with a Libra person, male or female, this relationship or situation is going to be solved. Solution will occur in your life. I feel like that solution will come, guys. I can also see a lot of pink, red flowers on this bed sheet. So your dreams are going to be fulfilled. I think angels are talking to you in your dreams. They are sending you some signs, signals, and they are saying that you'll have the growth. Don't worry. If you want to get married, you will have that perfect relationship. If you want a particular person, you will be with that person, but that person needs to be transformed, and then he will come to you. Currently, I think if you are married, you are very burdened by your responsibility, your children's education, or their everything, caretaking, and money situation. You are worried about those situations right now. I think universe will bless you with all the stuffs in your dreams, which you were asking about. For some of you, you were praying at the night time to Jesus or Christ or something like that. You were praying at the night time, and you were maybe praying, manifesting, or doing positive affirmations. So your prayers has been received, and angels and God and universe, whomever you believe in, they are saying that it will be resolved. Don't worry, I have heard your prayer, and it is going to happen according to divine timing and a perfect timing, and it will be in your favor. 10 number I am seeing. So karmic cycle has been ended. 10 is the number of ending, and so it's something is new going to start for you, guys. If you wanted to leave a past person, so you will be able to leave that past person and release him or her, and new person you will be able to find. For some of you, I am feeling like that. Definitely, for some of you who's watching this, you might have 2 children, or at least one child you have for sure, from your past relationship or from your current situationship. So whatever it is, if you want to release those partners of yours who's very toxic, you'll be able to release it. If you want them to transform and come to you, it will happen for you, guys. So if you were dealing with a player person, you'll see the their reality. And and if you were stuck with that person, you'll forward movement will be coming up for you. In short, forward movement and a lot of transformation and wheel of fortune, divine timing situation I am feeling. If you wanted to travel, you will be this wish will be fulfilled. If you were dreaming about a particular one person, or if you are dreaming particular one dream, it is going to happen. Okay, positive dreams, positive thinking I'm talking about. See, dreams, sometimes it is about subconscious mind and thoughts also. So I am over here talking about positive dreams, which angels are telling you or guiding you or giving you some signs through dreams. So those type of dreams is going to be fulfilled. Also, a lot of you were daydreaming about particular person or relationship or marriage. It will going to happen, guys, for you. Your morality is going to pay you, guys. Have trust on perfect timing, divine timing. It will happen. Angels are currently working. because Wheel of Fortune card, till that time you just ask for help from others and take care of yourself. Okay, so this is what I feel for you. These type of blessings I am seeing in your life. Let's see the charms. What are the charms saying? Guys, I am already feeling you guys are going to have a lot of money. I am feeling like that you guys are going to have a lot of money. So yeah, if your money situation, like I'm started before starting the reading, my cat came, so I've told that time only that a lot of money is going to come up for the collective, for the majority of my viewers. So yes, money is going to come. Another confirmation, and another confirmation, cat. I think you might have a pet, or you wanted to have a pet. You might have a cat also, and I feel like if you don't have, then I think you will have the pet or a cat, like cat, dog, whatever. So you will have a cat as your pet in the month of December and January. So this blessing is coming up for you. You wanted to have a pet, it will happen, guys. If you wanted to have a money resolve situation, it will happen. See, some of you are worried about your children, or you are worried about having child. So it is going to resolve. Okay, don't worry. Initials for you: C, T, L, O. So I think I've already said in the starting, right? M, T, R, L, O, I, S. So T, L, O. So another initials. Okay. So okay. Oh, I think you people are already married. Those who's watching this video, you are already married. And you if you wanted to have a child, you are going to have a child, guys. You will if you are trying for pregnancy, it will happen. If you are not married and you wanted to get married with the person you are currently in relationship with, I think you will get married with this person, I think, for sure, because rainbow color charm also we have received. So if 1 or 2% guys are on twin flame or higher level soulmate spiritual journey, from those who's watching this, you guys can get married to your twin flame. Other than that, most of you, I am feeling like if you are in a relationship, proper relationship, and then it is going to reach to its destination. So marriage, engagement, stable offer, secure offer, you will have it with your partner, with your current partner. Okay, the sun charm we have received. So money success you will receive, I feel like that. Knight of Wands card and Knight of Wands charm is coming up. Somebody is coming up, guys, to talk to you, rush towards you. This is the same person, maybe in and out, on off, or maybe a Sagittarius person is coming up for you guys to talk to you in this new year. If you are waiting for someone's message, or someone was hiding their emotions, you will get it. Okay, you'll receive the call or message from them, or at least a gift. Also, I am seeing a gift for some of you. I am seeing gifts or gift you are going to receive. You wanted to travel, you will travel. I also feel like for some of you, you'll spend some time near beach. I also feel a baby spoon feeding. So a baby vibe I am getting. A lot of children, baby vibe I am feeling in this reading. Spoon feeding. So if you have a small baby, so I feel like you'll be able to take care of them. And I also feel that if you are facing some troubles in your baby's health or education, or money situation you were worried about, it is going to resolve, guys. Don't worry. Your baby related any situation or worry, you don't need to worry. Okay, it will be resolved. I think angels are also giving you signs. Just pay attention to it. Okay, so this is what my charms telling me. Now let's see the messages. Let's see the messages from the person who's most on your mind. What are they trying to tell you? Girls Like You by Maroon 5. Okay, another message is that can't can't stop thinking about you. So your past person or your person who is on your mind, they are also thinking about you the same way you are thinking about them. So let's see. I miss you. I miss you. So they are saying I miss you. You are missing them and they are missing you as well. You are my life. I think you should, for some of you, 1 to 2% or maximum 3%, I feel like you should watch pile 1 as well, because lot of few repeated messages I am seeing, and 1 or 2% I am seeing on twin flame journey in this pile as well, and on and in first pile as well. So you guys can watch pile 1 also if you were attracted to both the piles. I wanna be your end game. I wanna be your first love, something like that. Reputation by Taylor Swift, another song they are dedicating you. Dedicating you. Oh my god. Mirroring. See, this charm is, I think some of you are on twin flame journey. Mirroring charm has come up, guys. So you can watch pile 1 as well. You are dealing with someone who is mirroring you. So your person is mirroring you basically. Nothing gonna change my love for you. Lot of songs. You can listen to this song. Maybe some lyrics will resonate with you. I think this song also came in the pile 1 as well. Busy bee. So you guys are very busy concentrating on your children or in your married life or in your career life. So someone is saying that you are busy bee. I don't know whose energy I am picking up. Third person is involved with someone else. So if your person who has left you or ditched you with because of third person, so now the message he or she is saying that third person is involved with someone else. So third person is already involved in third party as well with their partner. I am worried. So maybe this is regarding your children you are worried about. Your person is worried about his or your children. So basically I am worried message they are telling you that maybe they are somewhat insecure that you will choose someone else, something like that. So so this is what I feel, this is what they are saying to you. Hope you liked my tarot reading, charm reading, and this messages, and hope you liked my decoration as well. Thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. Hope to see you in my next video. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to you all. And remember, please remember, life is what we make it, life is what I make it. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. Okay, thank you, bye bye.